Hi there, students. Preponderant, an adjective. Preponderantly, an adverb. And you could have the noun for the quality, a preponderance, preponderance of. Okay, let's see. If something is preponderant, there is more of it than anything else. It has the greatest weight, it has the greatest importance. So there is a preponderance of this type of fish in the lake, the largest part, the greatest amount. So, yeah, we spend the preponderance of our time in class studying grammar, for example. The preponderance of the evidence shows that we are doing the right thing. This business deals preponderantly in architectural matters. Okay, so it's the thing that has the greatest importance, the greatest number, it's more than everything else. It's the biggest quantity. So, yeah, the preponderance of young people in this area don't have jobs. Yeah. There is a preponderance of older people who take up this activity, the bulk, a predominance. Yeah, this is prevalent, the majority. Okay, so something that's preponderant, is greater in weight, greater in force. The preponderant part of my business comes from this type of person. Okay, if there's a preponderance, there is more of this type of thing, this type of person, than any other within a group. So there are a in this area there is a preponderance of small businesses, small independent businessmen. It's not big business and big factories. There's a preponderance, a weight of. So I'm right-handed. When I was very small, I used to be left-handed, but there is a preponderance of right-handed people in society. Yeah, there is an overwhelming preponderance of men in scientific positions. Yeah, we need to redress this preponderance. Okay, so if something's preponderance, there's a majority of it. It's dominant. Yeah, it's the larger quantity, the mass. It's the preponderant factor, the overriding factor. It's paramount. It dominates. Okay. So yes, the preponderance of evidence points towards this having happened. So preponderant, formality. It sounds a bit formal. Most of, I think, is what I'd use in an informal conversation. So I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 informality, maybe a 7. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation. In a semi-formal writing, it would certainly sound good. And then as to origin, yet another one that comes from Latin, from praeponderans. Yeah, praeponderans, or praepondero, to outweigh. So before, and pondero, to weigh. So or before. No, yeah, but before, as in prime, most important. So the thing that has the most important weight is preponderant, and that's the idea. So preponderant, dominant, overriding, predominant, the the majority of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Preponderant, preponderance, preponderantly.